Alright folks, this is a piece of salt cedar found on the side of a lonely desert highway outside of Needles, California. It's got cracks and stuff, but it's salt cedar. So I am going to try to get at least one, maybe two things out of this. Probably just one, we'll see. I'm just going to get it round and then see what I have.
Ah yes. Today, Zed has chosen Tamarisk, also known as salt cedar, because apparently this tree couldn't decide whether it wanted to live on land or emotionally terrorize riverbanks. Tamarisk is an invasive species, drinks water like Zed drinks coffee, and leaves salt behind in the soil, because ruining the neighborhood wasn't enough. Woodturners like it, though. It's dense, stable, and has surprisingly nice grain once you convince it to stop being a menace to ecosystems. Zed claims this bowl is about letting the wood speak. The wood is currently saying, "Please don't mess this up." So while Zed carefully spins this former environmental criminal into something decorative, just remember, this tree spent decades causing problems. And now it's trusting him with sharp tools.
Getting to that last little bit is a pain in the butt. But we got there.
There's a heat wave in the city. I'm getting drunk at the bar in the afternoon. You so raw, you like honey. I got friends with tropical money. There's a heat wave in the jungle. There's a heat wave, but you're still asleep. Grass-fed beef got Wagyu energy. I'll be a gentleman, not a city boy. There's glitter to be found and worlds to be destroyed. And I'm a lizard, I'm a gecko. I'm a gun, I'm alive. So say my name, my city boy, my city boy. Deep in the jungle with the tigers and the antelope. You wanted white gold and you never really had enough. You know everybody's wanting gold, sweeter than the platano, stronger than the buffalo. I got white gold, white gold. Yeah! There's a gold rush and you love it. There's a feast for the least, now eat the meat. So good luck and be safe. Take a leap of faith when you're ready. Follow me by the river, upstream we go. So baby, let's go. And I'm a lizard, I'm a gecko. I'm the river of the night. So wake up, my city boy, my city boy. Deep in the jungle with the tigers and the antelope. You wanted white gold and you never really had enough. You know everybody's wanting gold, sweeter than a mango, stronger than tobacco. I got white gold, white gold. I'm a lizard, I'm a gecko. I'm a gun, I'm a knife. I'm a lizard, I'm a gecko. I'm a river, I'm the night. I'm a lizard, I'm a gecko. I'm a gun, I'm a knife. I'm a lizard, I'm a gecko. And I might kick it back as we blow.
I see, that's really quite clever, isn't it? Really quite clever.
right, folks, here we go. This is Tamarisk, and I had a struggle with that bull saver. I don't know why the last that much is way harder and prone to catching than the first that much. But yeah, at least it worked. I failed on that apricot in the last video. But anyway, this is Tamarisk. I like this wood. I used to have a massive amount of it that I had access to, and like an idiot, I didn't realize the treasure I had, and I didn't grab any. But it's a little bit like oak in that it has medullary rays, but they're really micro medullary rays, whereas oak has big ones. I don't know if that made sense, but I really like the way that grain pattern looks in that bowl. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it's real pretty. And then there's some burl figures in here. I'm not sure if these were branchlets or scars or what's going on here, but it's really cool. So, and then we got a little bit of the cambium, the area between the bark and the wood. I think that's right. Someone will correct me. So 439, Tamarisk, also known as salt cedar, the bane of the Southwest because it, I think it chokes out riparian zones and it makes endangered birds like the willow flycatcher have a hard time finding a place to nest or something. But makes great turning wood. So if you ever find yourself some, grab it. This one, I'd be honest, I really wanted to turn it. I jumped the gun. It's a little dense. It's or wet. So I'm going to let the blank I pulled out of the center of this dry. I have the other side of this log that I'm going to bowl save and get 2 out of, and I'll let those age in the shed as well. But I just wanted to see Tamarisk again. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the montage, and we'll catch you on the next one. 439 is in the can.